A very good day and warm welcome to one and all. I am Ankush Sen, a second year MBA student at SIDTM. After completing BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, I worked as a systems engineer in one of the leading IT companies. During my tenure, I developed a strong inclination towards techno-managerial role. This is why I desired to pursue my MBA from SIDTM. SIDTM strong pedagogy and up-to-date curriculum perfectly blend telecom domain concepts and also management subjects together. SIDTM provided me an opportunity to work with one of the leading global telecom organizations during my summer internship, which helped me to gather the knowledge of telecom domain as well as an exposure to consulting work. SIDTM provides remarkable guest lecture, also deep knowledge of trending technologies. All of these factors help me to get placed in one of the leading management consulting firms. I am grateful to SIDTM's management, faculties and mentors. This whole journey at SIDTM helped me to gain the knowledge and also the master to run my life with learning and improvement. Thank you.